A load of laundry from wash to dry takes an hour and 27 minutes on average. If your laundry is taking longer than that, is it because your dryer is not drying well? If your dryer is not drying properly, it could be a simple clog or something a bit more serious. Keep watching to learn 5 reasons why your dryer may not be drying well anymore. You could have a large accumulation of lint. This inhibits the circulation of air necessary to dry the clothes. The dryer has to work harder and may take a few rounds to dry the clothes. Clear the lint screen after every load and perform semi-annual lint maintenance to keep your dryer working its best. Could your dryer have a faulty heating element, or could it be a blown thermal fuse? The heating element or thermal fuse may be defective and can easily be replaced by a professional. Do you regularly check and clean your vent? If not, it may be clogged. Check the vent flap outside of your home. When the dryer is running, you should be able to feel air flowing out. If not, something is not right. You can use a snake tool to clean out the obstruction. Electricity comes into the dryer through 2 120-volt lines. If one is not working, the dryer won't be able to heat up. If you have a gas dryer, maybe you're out of gas or the gas is off. Neither of these problems is a DIY fix. Be sure to consult a professional. If your dryer's drum isn't spinning, it can keep your clothes from drying. If this is the case, it's probably because it has a worn belt or drum bearing. This belt is a fairly easy fix if you're handy, but as always, if you're unsure, consult the professionals. Having a problem with your appliances, air conditioning, or furnace? Contact us here at On Point Service Company today. Proudly serving McGregor, Texas, and surrounding areas, contact us at 254-709-3029 or find us at onpointservicecompany.com.